Hello and welcome to another random review and how to. Here we're looking at a random review. This is a as seen on TV power air fryer oven, 7-in-1 multi-cooker. It's a deep fryer, it's a rotisserie, it's an oven, it's a dehydrator, it's an oven toaster, it's a pizza grill, and it's a microwave. One-touch cooking, 8 smart button press sets, easy cleanup, extra large capacity. So 7 appliances in one. It says it has 8 cooking presets. It's 1700 watts. It's this rapid air technology. Now, air fryers, I've never used an air fryer, and I'm an avid cooker, home cook. I like to smoke, I like to grill, I like to do things in the kitchen. I cook just about whatever you can think of, homemade pasta, steaks, if you say it, I cook it. Never had one of these. Now, got it for Christmas as a gift. Get a lot of those this time of year. And I don't know about them, so I've never used it before. So I'm interested to actually just kind of unbox this thing, see what it looks like. That's what this video is going to be. I could really see myself doing one major thing in this, and you're going to laugh because this is a lot of product to do one thing. I'm probably going to use this as a dehydrator. As a person who hunts and likes to eat things out on the trails, there's a lot of reason for me to dehydrate stuff, and I used to have a dehydrator, and I can see me using this for that. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this box. This is a giant box, by the way. So on top, we have some books. We got your fried food recipes revealed. I'm sure these are delicious or terrible. Looks like you got some kind of little handle rack thing going on there. Styrofoam. I hate styrofoam in a box. So that's on top. This thing is a monster. I'm going to pull it by the bag. Useless. I'm going to pull it out here if I can get it. Struggle bus for sure. Watch me struggle on my YouTube video channel. Alright, there you have it. How's that? The thing is big. They weren't kidding. So you see there, we got the oven fryer inside here. We also got some plates. Looks like we got 2 spindles. If you ever use a rotisserie before, like one of these boxes, that's what those spindles are going to be for. There's some skewers in there. Looks like that's both parts of that, and there's some ends there for the skewer. So I'm going to leave that package because I don't want to dare try to rewrap that thing. On the other side here, we got a rack. So it looks like we got a rack that we could put in there. Set that aside. Now, let's open this bad guy up. See what's happening in here. I like the idea of being able to dehydrate stuff in here. If you ever dehydrated meats, it's actually really easy to do. You just leave it in and let it cook. You do get a smell. I mean, there's definitely a scent of things cooking when you do that. So that's one thing you want to keep in mind in your house. When you're slow dehydrating something, it's definitely going to smell for a while. I usually do everything out in my garage when I do that, or in the basement away from human beings. So I'm just untwisting this cord here. I'd like to get this thing plugged in and turned on. Inside it looks like we have some things as well. So in here we got another rack. Looks like we got a tumbler of sorts, or a basket maybe. Put fries in there, potatoes. There's some things that you might want to spin around. And then down here, looks like we got a drip tray that's stuck. It's stuck in the shelving. That wasn't really thought through. I should take that out. Got a little drip tray. You can see inside there, got some room. I'm not sure the size you got there, but the picture, the box, if you recall, has a chicken in there. There's a chicken. I think you could fit a very small chicken inside. Don't quote me on that. But it looks like a small chicken may fit inside of that. So there you have the look of the thing. And look at my goofy face on there. Huh. I'm gonna go ahead and get this plugged in. This thing looks to be all digital. Turn that on. So you got different options here of what you want to cook. It has fries. Looks like a meat of some kind. Fish, shrimp, chicken. I'm going to assume that's a pie. Chicken, a full chicken. And then vegetables. So that's probably our dehydrator mode. You got your temperature there. You could adjust that how you see fit. So I'm actually just going to set it 375. And I'm going to hit the on button and see what happens here. It's got a light so we could see inside. Good thing I wore pants today. and it's just heating up. So I'm gonna let it run here for a couple minutes and see how warm it actually gets. So I've only had this guy on for about 45 seconds. Just want to see how warm it gets. Oh yeah, there's some good heat coming out of that already. So as a person who wants to see how this thing works on the first day, I'm gonna put some bacon in there. Here I got my new power air fryer oven. Now, I've never used one of these before. I'm probably gonna use this thing more for dehydrating stuff, but I thought, what the hell, you know, if I bought a smoker or a new grill, the first thing I always cook on those things is bacon, because it's a great way to season it with some oils and fats. Plus, it's bacon. It's a man's best friend. So, wanted to try it out in here. I got my drip pan underneath. I got 3 thick cut slices of bacon. I'm gonna go ahead and close this guy up. Now, I would do this probably around 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna just set it on 10, see what happens here. Go ahead and turn this up to 400, which is the highest setting I see. And to start this, you just hit the power button. And there we go. It's turned on. Turn the light on there for you. You can see the bacon. We're gonna let this go for 10 minutes, but I'll give you an update halfway through. Well, there you have air fried bacon after 10 minutes. That's actually right around where I would eat it at. But if you're my wife, you like it a little crispier. So let's put it on for another 5. So here we go, 15 minutes, bacon, crispy, looks actually pretty good. To be quite honest with you, I'm a bacon snob. So there you have it. That's 15-minute bacon at 400 degrees in the air fryer. Looks pretty good. Overall, I mean, first test there with the bacon, you can't quite beat something like that. That's pretty good, 15 minutes. If I was cooking on the stove breakfast for everybody, I might could throw a couple trays of bacon in here and just let it go off to the side. You're gonna end up with that. So that's the Power Air Fryer. You either love it or hate it, or you don't need it and you don't get it. So I have one. I don't need it, but I got it. As always, I want to thank you for watching random reviews and how-tos. Make sure you press that subscribe button down below. You guys subscribe, I keep making videos.